Applied Image's image analysis and stage micrometers provide an objective standard for ensuring accuracy and repeatability while reducing calibration time and uncertainty for users of optical measurement systems.
We're dedicated to providing industry leaders like you with objective calibration and testing standards that ensure your vision systems function accurately, produce the most repeatable results, and reduce risks and their associated costs. Applied Image's image analysis and stage micrometers can be ordered with NIST traceable calibrations and are the premier solution for calibrating optical, imaging, video, and reticle-based measurement systems. For over 40 years, industry experts worldwide have trusted our team to manufacture precision-imaged optical components that ensure their image systems are calibrated correctly every time. Out-of-spec equipment, inaccurate measurements, and risks to quality and safety won't happen on your watch when you rely on our ISO 9001-2015 certified facility and ISO 17025-2017 accredited calibration lab to test and calibrate your imaging systems. Our standard products can integrate with your system within days. Should you need to alter feature patterns, size, or substrate, we can make modifications to best suit your application. Depending on your project requirements, our collaborative customization process can take as little as 4 to 5 weeks. Ensuring system accuracy is traceable to a higher standard gives credibility for manufacturers, validates results to their customers, and confirms they've met the desired specifications for the application. Without using calibration standards from an ISO 17025-2017 accredited calibration lab, like Applied Image, there's no assurance that your calibrations are accurate. When you choose Applied Image, our team of highly skilled engineers will work with you to determine how exactly to improve your current calibration and testing solution or design a new one specifically for your application. We'll be with you every step of the way. Let's make a deal. You keep your focus on what you do best, and we'll provide you with an objective standard for ensuring your system's quality. Because at Applied Image, your image matters.